Pop the bubbles, Sean.
Let me pop them.
Bang, bang, bang.
Stomp, stomp. Facial.
Great.
You get this in the bubble machine. You're not gonna bring that every time we come over.
Feel treated at my house. Cool.
You know, we have a bubble machine in Andy's. So
I have
we-
one. I think it goes in the bathtub or something. Get the bubbles.
Bees? Those aren't bees, they're bubbles, you weirdo.
Sean, say bubble.
My bubble.
Joshua.
I thought she was awake. I'd go ask Brianna if she wanted Dory to come up with bubbles.
Bang, bang, bang.
Up! One popped on Josh's face.
Bang.
I don't know where he picked that up from.
I think the other day when we were banging on the table and I was like, bang, bang. And he was like, bang.
Probably for you, thanks.
No problem. As long as you didn't see what I was teaching him the other day.
It's alright. I think the only part of that movie that I really liked was look at it.
Under the table, Carlos.
He's tricking his penis.
Sean, do you like the bubbles? Yeah, bubbles. Yeah, bubbles. Joshua. Hey. In the zone. No, Sean, that's the mean lady's house.
Sean, there's snails in that house.
There's snails in that house. Don't go over there.